Welcome to this video for writtenlegalenglish.com, where I once again give you a link to another fantastic online resource for you to build your own plain English library. Back in 2010, the Americans introduced a new piece of legislation onto the statute book called the Plain Writing Act 2010. This act placed an obligation upon federal agencies to write in plain English. Yes, if there is a federal agency, they must write in plain English. Gone are the days of horrible legalese. They recognise, or the government in this case, that government agencies not only have to communicate to people who read their documents, but also that those documents must be understood. Fantastic stuff, huh? And not only that, the legislation provides for each agency to be marked and assessed in terms of their plain English usage. And you can see their grades year on year, how each agency is performing. Are they getting better? Are they getting worse? In terms of communicating with their readership in plain English. Pretty good stuff, huh? Well, back in 2010, or shortly after, one of these agencies, the FAA, the Federal Aviation Authority or Agency, created what's known as the FAA toolkit. Now, this is a fantastic resource, which I'm going to link to you below if you're watching this on YouTube, or above if you're watching this on Facebook. And this is something that you can print out, put it on your desk next to your PC as next to the monitor as a constant reminder of how you should communicate in plain English. And of course, that's precisely what it was designed to do. To sit next to your monitor, so when you're writing in English, you're constantly asking yourself, have I communicated this in plain English? Am I following the basic rules of plain English? Not only that, when you click on the link, you'll see the document that you're going to print out, but you'll also see that it's got links to resource after resource after resource about how to improve your plain English. It really is a fantastic idea, and if you don't have such a thing sitting next to your monitor to constantly remind you how to improve your plain English, then I really recommend that you print out the FAA's toolkit and do exactly that, and put it next to your monitor and begin to improve your English. If you see something all of the time, the chances are you're going to think about it more, and therefore you're going to implement more plain English techniques and strategies into your writing, and therefore your writing will become better and better. So that's the resource for this week. I'll see you again next week to show you another fantastic resource you can have for your plain English library. And remember, if you can't wait for the resources week after week after week, then go along to my website, writtenlegalenglish.com, sign up for my 17-unit course and improve your English, your plain English writing skills at a faster pace.